Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, Product Specialist and Love Promise Coordinator for Santa Cruz Subaru. For those of you who are new to the channel, I like to make videos about Subaru, impart my wisdom and my knowledge and everything I've learned over the last 18 years of working for Santa Cruz Subaru. Today's video is going to be about your tailgate, and something I've been seeing quite a bit lately is videos that are putting out misinformation about what happens if you leave your tailgate open. If you find use out of the videos, please hit that little Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there, subscribe to the channel, like the video. It really helps me out, lets my bosses know that their money is well spent and people enjoy the videos. All right, let's get into it. All right, so if you guys are like me, you get out and do things in your Subaru. One of the flaws with Subaru that a lot of people don't realize is if you leave your tailgate open, even if you turn off all the interior lights like I'm about to do on this Ascent, there's still a 4 amp draw coming off of the battery when your tailgate opens. So if you're going to a festival, you're going camping, you're going to the lake, you're doing something where you want to have your tailgate open and leave your tailgate open for an extended period of time, your battery is going to die. I talked to our shop foreman, and he estimated, it could be anywhere from 6 hours, might be a little bit less, might be a little bit more, but you're going to start your car at the end of the day and your batteries are going to be dead. I've been researching this a lot. I'm seeing a lot of videos that people saying to put a carabiner in here and basically trick the system, let's see if I can do it, into thinking that it's locked, and that's going to work. Your battery is still going to die because this system actually runs off of two things. It runs off of this lock mechanism knowing where the lock position is, so the car does think it's locked, but it also runs off of the position of the tailgate. So the car knows where the tailgate was while the lock mechanism engaged itself. So it was up when I did that, so the car still is going to draw that 4 amp. So if you're watching a video where people put a carabiner, they put something in there to trick the system, you're half doing it. Your battery is still going to die. The best thing to do is, and I just ordered this product, I'm going to test it out, is something called Hatch Lock, and we'll make a new video on that as soon as that arrives. So again, if you are like thinking of doing this, do not pay attention to all those videos that tell you that just if you lock this guy, you're good to go. Your battery is going to die. All right, thanks for watching.